Hello everybody, I'm Umut. I'm the responsible person for English class. Today we are gonna do our first bootcamp. It's about CSS in Alton. And also today we will learn how should be an accurate and powerful LinkedIn profile be. Welcome to our bootcamp.
Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim. I am a mentor at Arkadis. Today we are doing one of our CSS bootcamp. It is a perfect opportunity to reinforce the topics covered in lectures and make them more understandable. Today we designed some professional web content with our participants. I saw that the students made this content successfully. It is very impressive that they have reached the level to do this in 4 weeks. I am proud to be a part of this organization.
Hello, my name is Selçuk Sarıkaya. I've been living in Switzerland for almost 2 years now, and today I came to the Alton for this beautiful bootcamp. It has really good atmosphere, and thanks to the Arkadis that they made such an opportunity for us, for their students. The best benefit of this course is the mentors. That's why I choose this course and also our best teacher in the world, Mehmet Doğan, because the mentorships. And when you came to the bootcamp, you can directly reach out to your mentors because he sits next to you. If you have a problem, if you see a bug or something goes wrong, you can ask them immediately and they help you in no time. They really fast, they really good, they know what they're doing. It's really good atmosphere here, and I'm glad that I choose this course. These bootcamps will continue in every month until the next year's June, and I'm really happy about it because it really improves. I can feel that I can improve my skills, my web development skills, HTML, CSS, and I will learn JavaScript thanks to this course. And until June, I'm sure that I will be one of the best web developers in the world. It might exaggerate because I'm just a newcomer, a junior, but I'm hoping because I'm trusting my mentors and my teachers that one day I can be one of the best web developers in the world. Thank you, Arkadis.
My name is Tristan. I'm from Canada, and I had the opportunity to travel to Switzerland, and I wanted to give back to the community here as a software engineer, so I found this program called Arkadis, and here I am today helping out with the boot camp with students who are learning CSS, and I'm finding a really beautiful community with people who have done really quick progress and are looking forward to developing their skills and going out in the workplace. This is really exciting for me.
Hi, my name is Islam Kurban and I am from Turkestan. After I came to Switzerland, I started to look for new opportunities, and then I heard a lot of news about Arkadis from my friends, and then I decided to join this Fullstack program, and also I applied to this bootcamp. I think it was the right decision for my education. I really want to thank to my progress on Arkadis. I learned a lot more than I expect. I can say the instructor and the trainer of the bootcamp were very high quality and very productive. Thanks again, Arkadis.